What's up guys, I'm out here in Spokane Valley, Washington, which is where I'm going to be splitting time between here and San Diego. In a previous video I said I was going to get a 4Runner, but changed my mind. We ended up getting one of these guys instead. So there's a 1995 Ford Ranger 4.0 liter with the 4x4. I've always wanted one of these. I've actually owned two other Rangers before this. I had a 99 XLT, which I ended up building out with built-in aluminum uppers and box lowers, pretty pre-rendered out. And then the second one was a 2007. It was kind of like the Ford Ranger Edge back then, or as a sport. Didn't really do a whole lot with that truck. So we decided to do the Ranger because we wanted a truck to carry parts and such. Well, we got this one pretty dirt cheap. Emily's doing the beauties of it right now, so you'll see a little more of that in just a bit. But yeah, this is gonna be my first time owning an I-beam truck, which I'm really excited about, and it's also a four-wheel drive. So plans for this rig, we're going to swap out the stock Dana 35 for a Dana 44. We're gonna go long travel in the front. In the back, we're gonna try to keep the bed because we do want to maintain the utility of this truck, but I'm gonna kind of cut to some beauty shots, or before shots, I guess. This truck's kind of in rough shape. It needs a lot of love. We already changed out the windshield on it because the last one was all kinds of cracked. The inside, I have no idea what the heck happened here with the headliner. Don't know how this even happens. But yeah, stay tuned for more of this. I have some more videos for the Xterra and the Beetle coming up. I'm heading home to San Diego tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna be back and forth between here and San Diego. So more projects, more videos. Stay tuned. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. But for now, just enjoy the beauties.